There is another CCSD teacher who was recently honored with what is being called the Oscars of teaching, and we were there as a special education teacher was surprised with the Milken Educator Award during a special school assembly. The award, by the way, comes with a big cash prize. Inside the gym at Foothill High School, a surprise is being staged.
So we are here at Foothill High School in Henderson, Nevada to present the Milken Educator Award that went to an educator that didn't know he was being considered.
CCSD district leaders, the governor, and the state superintendent are all in on what's about to happen.
So I got a call from NDE, Nevada Department of Education representative, saying, hey, we have someone we want to recognize. And that was about 2 months ago. And holding that a secret has been probably the hardest part of this whole process.
A special education teacher at Foothill is winning a prestigious national award from the Milken Family Foundation, along with $25,000.
May I have the envelope, please? The Milken Educator Award goes to Joseph Kilminski.
Joseph Kilminski joins a select group of educators to be recognized by the foundation.
I wasn't expecting my name to be on it. I had other teachers in mind. I thought, amazing teachers we have here at school, and then she announced my name and kind of got a little tunnel vision and just so grateful. Grateful that I was chosen out of so many people out of this country.
And we believe at the foundation that he represents the top 1% in the profession out of 3 million teachers.
Chosen for his commitment to students and leadership.
So he really just does an incredible job with his students. He has a garden he started. He really focuses on each individual student's needs. He's just a team player, just an all-around great teacher and a great leader on campus.
Mr. Kilminski has taught for 8 years, all at Foothill High School.
They've really taken me on and taught me what I should know as a teacher, and I've grown exponentially every year, just surrounded by great people. I never saw myself as a teacher. It was something that I could do in the midterm till I found out what I wanted to do, and once I got into it, I fell in love with it. I loved it. I love spending time with the students and seeing them learn. You know, when that light switch just turns on, it's amazing.
The award not only honors, but hopefully inspires.
Educators do not get the kind of recognition, the type of support that happens in other professions, and it's been a challenge to recruit people into teaching, and it's been a challenge to keep them in the profession.
As the shock settled in, Mr. Kilminski shared the good news with his wife.
Okay, well, I just won a National Teacher Award. And,
what?
I'm on camera right now.
Congratulations! Oh my God!
I'm Joseph Kilminski. I teach here at Foothill High School in Henderson, Nevada, and I'm a Milken educator.
Bravo and congratulations again, well deserved. Mr. Kilminski, by the way, joins a select group of about 75 educators, not just here but nationwide, who will receive the award this school year.